how to unlock websites on school Chromebook in 2024. So here we just want to go to Google first and search for Google Docs. Now right here we want to open up the first website and we will just choose this option to go to Docs. Now it's going to look a little something like this. We want to click on blank document. And here it's going to look like this. Now what we need to do is go back to Google. So I'm just going to type google.com. And here, let's say we want to find the website that we want to open. So I'm going to do Discord. Now Discord is going to look like this. Right click on the purple or blue hyperlink here and click on copy link address. Now go back to the Google Docs and click on insert and choose link here. Now simply paste the link, right click, paste, and click on apply. Now what we're going to do actually is click file and then save this file. So click on download and then choose PDF. So download this as PDF. And it's gonna look like this. Just open it up. And the next thing that we actually want to do before we click on this link is click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to settings. Now here go to privacy and security, site settings at the bottom. And if you find Google or any of the websites you're trying to access here, just click on this arrow next to them and reset permissions here. So just click on reset permissions and confirm reset. Now after we have done this, we can go back to our PDF file here and click on the link itself, and this should load up the website on the school Chromebook. Hope this works. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.